Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is find the maximum volume of a cuboid. So we have given parameter and area of a cuboid and we have to tell the volume. So this question is not generally asked in interviews. So I don't think anyone is able to solve this question including me. So at the bottom you can say no, I have not seen in the real interviews. So let's build the approach. So we have formula given here of parameter, area and volume. So I searched about whether there is a direct relation of volume. So I find no exact solution. So let's build the approach. First we have to tell the volume. So for volume we have area as this. So we will convert to BH. So we will write BH here. So BH we have written. Now the next thing is just open up the braces. Now we have b plus h. So we have parameter this. So we will write b plus h as this. So now write b plus h. Now open up the braces. So I have opened up the braces. Next, differentiate with respect to L. For finding maximum volume, we have to differentiate. So we will get this dv by dl because we have v here. Dv by dl a by 2 pl by 2 plus 3 l square. Now set dv by dl is equal to 0 because our maximum volume we have to find out. So after calculating and after solving we have L value as this. Now we have calculated the L value. So one key observation is for a cuboid with maximum volume it can be proven that at least one of the two sides must be equal. So here is the graph. So L, B or H, one of the two sides must be equal for a maximum volume. This is the key point. So I set B is equal to L. So this B is equal to L. Now we have parameter is equal to 4 L plus B plus H. So B is equal to L. So L here. Now write for H. So H is equal to this. We have calculated our H formula and L formula. Now we have to tell the volume. Volume is equal to LBH. Our B is equal to L. So our formula is L cross H. So we have to calculate L, then H, then V. So let's jump into the code. So this is our L as you can see. Then we have H height and then volume. So we will return the volume. So its time complexity is constant and space complexity is constant. If you don't understand the solution, that's totally fine because this question is not generally asked in the interviews. And thank you all for watching this video.